testing out the Cerakote ceramic headlight restoration kit today. See these headlights? This is the before, and let's see what they look like afterwards. Step 2 complete. I've masked off around both headlights just to protect the paint from sanding and if I mess any of the solution. Step 1 of the kit, I'm going to use these wipes in a circular motion on the headlights and wipe until we get as much of that oxidization off as possible. First step done, I've used the wipes, I've rinsed them off. Let's go on to step 2. Next step is sanding, so I have the red paper on here. I'm going to do this headlight first. Got to wet the paper and then get going. Red paper's done, time for the grey. This is the 3000. Gonna sand the headlights with that next. Everything's dry and ready for the final step. We're gonna apply the ceramic coating next. Final step is complete. The ceramic coat is on. That is looking super clear. Now we just wait for that to dry.